How to make Venmo private in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to make Venmo private. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy. Just follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video and you're going to be able to make your Venmo private, okay? So do not panic or do not worry about this. These are just some simple steps that you need to follow, as I told you, and you're going to be able to make your Venmo private, okay? So without wasting your time, guys, I am going now to my phone so I can show you how you can do it. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to just go to your phone. Okay, after going to your phone, you need to go now to your Venmo app and open it. Okay, after opening your Venmo app, you're gonna find this page. So what you need to do next is you need to go to me, okay? You're gonna find me here. You just need to go to it so you can go to your profile, because we need to go and click on settings, and settings it's existing on me page where you have your profile on Venmo. Okay, so just click on me. And after clicking on me, you're gonna find this page and you're gonna find settings here. Okay, so you just need to click on settings. Okay, after clicking on settings, you just need to scroll down until you find privacy. Okay, so here where we can make our Venmo private. Okay, so just click on privacy. Okay, and here you have like if you want to make your payments in public or private, or only your friends who can see it. Okay, so if you want to make your Venmo private, you just need to choose private. Okay, you do not need to select public or friends, you need to select private. As I told you, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to make your Venmo private. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.